Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Devin. So today I decided to come on and show you guys how I refresh my curls. I understand sometimes during the week that you don't really have time to rewash your hair, shampoo, deep condition, and all that other stuff. You just really need to just refresh your curls and just go about your day. So my hair right now is 5-day hair, and as you can see, I have my hair in like a little Minnie Mouse hairstyle. So if you like it, let me know. I'll do a video on all my different hairstyles that I do during the week. But let me go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like now. This is going to be 5-day hair. Okay. So this is what my hair looks like on day 5. As you can see, it's pretty dry. My curls are pretty undefined right now. It's looking pretty matted. So we're going to change that, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is use dry shampoo. This is my box of dry shampoo.
So I actually got this box for free from Sephora whenever I bought my Fenty Beauty foundation. So these are all of the dry shampoos that are in there. So I'm gonna go in with the detox. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair. So I'm going to take both sides, I'm going to split that into 2, and then I'm going to wrap the front part up into a small little bun, so that way I can just work on the back side. I like to work on the back side a lot more so that way I can get into the roots. Now, do not judge me. I know this dry shampoo looks really white on my hair. Do not worry. Once I add in all of my creams and gels and I wet my hair down a little bit, it will go away. Okay, so don't judge me. I know I look like Cruella de Vil right now. Now, once I have sprayed the dry shampoo all throughout my roots, I'm just going to gently massage that into my scalp. Okay, I want to make sure that I am cleaning my scalp as best as possible because this is 5-day hair and I don't want no funky scalp. Now next I'm going to take my handy dandy water bottle and my Nourishing Argan conditioner, and I'm going to put the conditioner in my hand, and I'm going to take the spray bottle and spray down the conditioner. This helps me a lot more than just spraying my hair with a bunch of water throughout my hair, because the last thing I want to do is make my hair soaking, dripping wet. So this is just going to create a more smooth, watery consistency to the conditioner, which helps me to refresh my curls a lot easier and faster without making my dry time super long. Now I'm just going to smooth that conditioner into my hair, and then I'm going to start to scrunch because I'm trying to get that curl definition back. So I'm just going to go onto the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to put the conditioner in my hands. I'm going to wet that conditioner down a little bit, and then I'm going to smooth that into my hair. And don't be afraid to detangle your hair a little bit. I know when your hair is, 3, 4, 5-day hair, it starts to get a little bit tangly. So, just kind of rake your fingers through it a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. You might have seen this in my previous videos. So I'm going to put that gel in my hands and then start to scrunch that into my hair. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the front of my hair, making sure that I am wetting down the conditioner and gently smoothing that into my hair, and then also detangling it. Now I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Defining Smoothie. I'm going to wet that down as well and just gently smooth that into my hair. By adding the cream, it's definitely going to help my hair to have a little bit more moisture than it does right now. And then I'm just going to take the gel and scrunch that into my curls. Okay, so I am done refreshing my curls, so go ahead and jump in the shower or do your hair and do your makeup. and you'll be all good to go. By the time you're finished, your hair will be nice and dry. So next I'm going to go in with my hair pick, and I'm just going to pick out my hair a little bit. My hair already has a little bit of volume, but you know, I live in Texas, so the bigger the hair, the harder they stare. So I'm just going to flip my hair over and pick it out at the roots so I can have a little bit more volume. And as you can see, my hair is very defined now, a lot more moisturized than it was before, and it just looks better. I didn't have to go in and wash my hair or deep condition. So now I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and just lay those edges down, and then I'm going to take my hairbrush and smooth that down.
Okay guys, so this is my finished results. As you can see, my hair is very defined and curly, a lot different than before. This looks like a brand new wash and go, and it only took me like 10 minutes.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like my curls. Comment down below if you're going to try this to your hair. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys next week. Happy holidays.